Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by learning the Ps4 button map. X passes, circle shoots, square crosses, and triangle plays through balls. Hold R2 to sprint but release to keep control and conserve stamina. Stamina impacts player speed late in a 6-minute per half match. Use the right stick for skill moves, L2 to jockey and contain attackers, and L1 to change controlled players rapidly. R1 adjusts certain attacking and defensive modifiers. Practice basic dribbling, passing, and timed pressing in a 6-minute half to build muscle memory. Before kickoff, set match length to 6-minute halves and choose a camera like 16:9 for a wider field perspective. Pick a formation that matches your strengths. 4-2-3-1 for controlled possession, 4-3-3 for fast wing play, or 3-5-2 when you need central overloads. Customize tactics. Increase pressure and depth for aggressive pressing or reduce both to play conservatively. Assign player instructions such as stay back, get in behind, or cut inside to refine attacker movement and defensive shape. Explore major modes. Career mode manages seasons, transfers, and training sessions. Ultimate Team uses coins and FIFA points to buy packs and trade on the transfer market. Spend time in skill games to master free kicks, penalties, corners, and timed finishing, which improves consistency under pressure. For online divisions, verify your Ps4 network and choose appropriate matchmaking settings to minimize lag. Practice squad rotation to keep players fresh. Manage contracts and fitness, and learn substitution timing to exploit late-game fatigue advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.